Hello out there, my name is Benjamin and thank you so much for joining me once again in the studios of BlabenSolutions. So in this video, I will be showing you guys how to type or wrap a text around a circle using Adobe Photoshop. And this video is coming up shortly. But before we get started, let me use this opportunity to say a very big thanks to you for clicking this video. If this is your first time of being in here, this is BlabenSolutions and we are into the production of graphic design video tutorials. So if you think videos of this nature would be of great benefit to you, then I encourage you to hit on the subscribe button, like, comment and share the videos as well. Without any further ado, let's quickly jump right into the video and let's get started. Alright guys, so we have our ellipse tool right here in front of us. So what we'll do next is to go in for our horizontal type tool. So now what you will do next is you make sure you bring your cursor closer to the path of the circle, and you can see it tends to be a curve like path, something like this. So just click anywhere and begin typing. So my name is the good boy. My name is the good boy. Alright, so this is basically how to type around a circle, but there are two forms actually. So you see the first one goes from the left to the right, okay, and this is more like clockwise. So we have the anti-clockwise form, right guys? All right, so with this we can actually shift this by selecting our path selection tool, and we can just bring the cursor here and shift it anywhere like this. All right, so currently we have this typed in around the shape. So we can have our type tool again and come back in here. Make sure your ellipse tool is selected, the layer is selected. Come back in here and we can type again in here. So let me first of all bring my asterisk. So my name is the good boy, and the good boy is what? Benjamin, right? So then my asterisk again. Good. So you could see you can't read Benjamin, so we need to make it look just like the other text we have in here. So with your direct selection tool selected once more, now I'm not going to hold and drag to the left or right, but now I'm going to drag up or down. Okay, so we have this in here like this. So that is, my name is the good boy Benjamin, right? Good. So I've done a good job in here by typing. So we can actually even duplicate our ellipse to Control J, press Control T, hold your Shift and Alt key together, and let's drag this out this way. Hit enter on your keyboard. Let's go back to the first ellipse tool and let's drag this downwards this way. Good. So now I can even shift Benjamin into the shape or the two circles that I have in here, and we can select all these and group them, Ctrl J, and there you have it. We are done with typing around a circle or wrapping a text around a circle. So guys, this brings us to the end of today's video tutorial. I believe you've really learned something in here. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel if you have not done so, and make sure to leave a comment in the comment box below. Until I come your way next time, this is still BlabenSolutions, and thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.